So today I'm gonna show y'all this nice little hack I discovered. I got a full set look for the low. So basically what you'll need is, of course, the nails, a nail file, a nail clipper, cuticle or body oil, nail polish remover, and some cotton swabs. And if you don't have cuticle oil, you can improvise. Okay, so I'm starting off with clean nails. I haven't had any press-ons or anything done to my nails in a minute, so they're nice and smooth. I'm gonna show y'all later how to adjust to that. But if you do have like really I guess scratched up nails, if you just took off a full set and you're just doing this as a quick fix, you can definitely put these on still. So I'm starting off by just sizing the bottom, the left, and the right to my nail. And like you'll see me do a lot of different I guess sizing techniques, so I make sure I get the most seamless look. Yeah, and then I look at the number that's on the back of the nail, but like that's a guide. I wouldn't use that for every single one because sometimes I don't know, it'd be kind of weird, but like I can use different numbers for different nails. Oh my gosh, y'all, my nails look so yellow, but I promise, like in person they don't look like that. I guess it's just under the ring light. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going through every nail and I'm checking the bottom, the sides. Now, after I check for each nail, y'all will see I have another method to check each side. So now I just went through the bottom and the sides, and I'm gonna go through one more time to check. I'm gonna check the top, the free edge, which is like the white part of your nail, and of course the side cuticle. I want to say I'm definitely not a professional, so I don't know everything, but yeah, looking from the top really helps. And you're just looking on the sides to make sure like you can file it down so it'll fit your nail perfectly and you won't have to deal with your nails popping off. And now I'm just cleaning up because I'm telling y'all, like, you're gonna have to clean up. Just like doing hair, it can get very messy. So now I'm just cleaning my nails off one last time with some nail polish remover. This is non-acetone because I just don't have acetone. And y'all can see in the back, I kind of set my nails up exactly how I'm gonna put them on so I don't get them mixed up, because the middle finger and the ring finger definitely get mixed up quite a bit. Okay, so now I'm just clipping my nails because my nails grow very quickly. Believe it or not, I used to have a habit of biting my nails when I was really young. But yeah, I stopped doing that. And now I'm just going to go through every nail and clip them as short as I want them to be. Because if they're long, by the time I pop these press-ons off, I just have bad luck. Like, my nail either going to break off with the press-on, or worse, or it'll just be very brittle because of the nail glue and it just hasn't been exposed to no air for a minute. Now I done got done clipping my nails and I'm just cleaning up my area because when I get to filing like the press-ons down, it's gonna get very messy and dusty. And now I'm just filing my real nails down so it won't be so sharp when I put the press-ons on. I don't know. I think it just makes it last longer. And these nails literally stay on for like 2 weeks at least. I popped them off actually because I didn't want to wear them anymore. But they still look pretty good, especially since I didn't put a top coat on. And now I'm just filing my nail bed, I want to say, so it can be a little rough. I'm using the pink side. I think it's the pink side. So yeah, my nails can stick onto the press-on better. So I guess like if it's rigid, it stays on better. It stays on longer. Like when you get your nails done at the salon or you go to a nail tech, they definitely rough up your real nails first. After all the prepping, we're finally about to get started. So put the nail glue on the fake nail and on your real nail. Put it towards like the middle bottom because that's like where you want the nail to stick the most. Be careful. And yeah, press it down. It can get a little messy, but that's why I included Q-tips as a part of the materials, because that's really going to help you clean up your nails. Like, you don't want nail glue all over your nails. I know I used to have those like messy ass nails when I was younger, but yeah. We grown now. We cannot have no nail glue all over our nails. It probably would have cleaned up a lot better too if I used acetone nail polish remover, but that's fine. And as you can see, I'm getting everything prepared for like the rest of my nails, because obviously I'm no professional, so it's gonna be a little messy, but we don't want it to look like that. So yeah, you could use your nail polish cap, because I'm sure you don't have like the tools like the professionals do. And yep, just repeat the steps. As y'all can see, I was able to use my other fingers to hold it down because they definitely don't have any glue on them. Yep, just hold it down for all the nails and repeat this step. So as you're applying the pressure for like 15 seconds, you want to check and make sure like it's working and you get the look that you want. There's no air bubbles or nothing that's going to make your nails look crazy. And at the bottom, you can see I have like some white stuff on my nails. That's just from the acetone drying my nails out and the debris from filing my nails and all that. But by the end of the video, by the time I'm done, the nails are going to look very professional and nice. So once you get them all cleaned up, y'all can skip towards the end of the video where I'm just filing and straightening the nail. But like I said, I don't like my nails very long, so I'm just gonna cut them and then I'm gonna file them. I don't have any professional nail clippers other than like the ones for my natural nail, so I just use some scissors because yeah, I can make sure I get that straight nail. For my length, I did cut them a little bit longer because the scissors very ghetto and it warps them. Like, it makes the nail go to the side a little bit, so I'll be having to get that together with the file, as you can see here. And I'm just gonna cut them and file them to my liking, and I would expect you to do the same. Highly recommend. So now, as you can see, my nails are very dusty, but I got them to the length that I want. And I'm gonna just use the nail polish remover and clean up my nails, my nail beds, my fingertips, all that. So here I am just cleaning up. I went to go wash my hands, put some body oil on, and I'm just going to emphasize the oil around my cuticles. And that's it. You guys can take an extra step by adding gel polish or a simple clear top coat, but I didn't do that, and I love my results. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and please let me know what y'all want to see more of.